G'day there. I am doing Powtoon. So it's where you can make presentations. It has music, animations, text, that kind of stuff. So I've used it a few times already this year, so I'm just going to do a very quick tutorial. So you can start from a blank template. I just found one in education, and this is a book report, but I'm going to slightly change it. So I'm going to try and do it so I can kind of use it for my real class teaching social studies. So what I'm going to do here is I've just got a Word document open. I've just got a few things I'm going to cut and paste in here. And so all you do here is I'm just going to change the text to what I want. So chapter 4, Life in the Colonies, is one of the chapters of the books I'm doing. And we have what's called a big question at the start of each chapter, and I'm just going to put it in where the book title is. And so now that that's too big, what I can do is I can just make it smaller, and I can kind of just go to there, and I can just move it around to where I want there. And then to me that's a little bit hard to read, so I can right click it, open up the tools, and I want to make that bold. If it goes bold, there we go, a bit easier to see. So just in here is all your different things. That's the font I'm using, so you can go in there, kind of you change all your fonts, kind of like most apps and stuff these days. I can add a link, and I'm going to add a link a little bit later, but not here. And then so what we can do is to preview it, we can just press the play and see what it looks like. And then so I've kind of didn't really like the look of that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go in here and I'm going to adjust just to suit my class. And again, I can just, if I can move it around, and there we go, Year 5 students. Okay, and so that's the kids I'll be teaching. So then I can go back and have another look at it. Okay, and then so when we get to the next page here, I'm going to go back. I just had a question that I wanted to think about before we would get into it, and I can just kind of swap this out, and I'm going to paste that there. And then so if you want to keep that size, you can kind of pull it out, and it will kind of automatically adjust. And then the name of the author, so if I don't want that, I can just right click and I should be able to cut it. Okay, well, cut, it doesn't, so I'm not sure what happened there. But you'll see that it's not open for me to cut it out, but I think I saw delete. Yep, there we go. All right, so again, you can just kind of move this around. If I just push that in, it should adjust automatically. And then I could go back up there and change stuff. What I'll do here is I will right click, and then I'm going to go back to my document, and this is a quick little tutorial on YouTube. It's about the 13 colonies, and what I can do is I can just add my, actually, so I'll press the link, and then I paste it into there, and then I'll apply it. And you can't actually see, I haven't changed that, but what I can change it to is click link here, and the link will be underneath that. So let's click. Okay. And then obviously, well, to save it. So I'm in edit mode at the moment. I forgot to say that, but you can actually put it into create, and it gives you a lot more kind of options and stuff that you want to do down there. Now if I just kind of save that, and I'm just going to click out of it, and I'll go back to my Powtoons, and there is like some templates and stuff like that. This is like the home page, 60%, 68% off right now. So if you're something you'd use all the time, it could be worth looking at it. I can export it. It says upgrade now, but you can get it onto to YouTube and stuff like that. But at the moment, I just want to have a look at it, and I'll see what it kind of looks like. And what I'm going to do in the next screen, I'm going to press pause, and I'm just going to see if indeed my link worked. And there it is. So it did work, and it's taken me to the founding of the 13 colonies. So there's a lot you can do here, and I'm just going to pause it. But you can do all kinds of stuff. So I recommend it. It's quite good. The kids like to watch it. And it's relatively easy. You get better at it the more you use of it. So definitely recommended. And I hope you like the video. Thank you.